My aim is to become a successful psychologist. Thank you.
J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même.
Medharani Okram, your contestant number 17.
Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Pour t'éviter de souffrir, je n'avais qu'à te...
Good evening to honorable judges and everyone present here. I am Medharani Okram. I'm from Thauval. My age is 14 years old. And I want to become a famous singer, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, and playing guitar. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful afternoon.
Censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des
This
yeux, tu
is your contestant number 18. Lakshmi Wongpai.
je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Je sais pas si je t'aime. Je sais pas si je me suis fait mal en m'envolant. Je n'avais pas vu le plafond de verre. Tu me trouverais ennuyeux si je t'aimais à ta manière. Si je t'aimais à ta manière.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, my name is Lakshmi Wongpai from Ukrul. I'm currently thank you.
Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes?
Your contestant number 19.
J'ai évité de faire mal, de te faire mal. Je n'ai jamais autant souffert. Je n'ai jamais autant souffert. Quand je t'ai mis la bague au doigt, je me...
A very good afternoon to one and all present here today. I'm Kumantam Silemi Chanung from Nambol. I'm currently 16 years old and I'm in class 11 Science C from Utanura. My hobby is listening to music and my aim in life is to become a...
Dans un sommet, j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je me suis fait mal en m'envolant. Je n'avais pas vu le plafond de verre. Tu me trouverais ennuyeux si je t'aimais à ta manière. Si je t'aimais à ta manière. Si...
A very good afternoon to the respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Hentoya Kam. And I'm from Sagolban. I'm currently 14 years old and I'm in 9th grade.
Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné des yeux, tu n'étais plus la même.
This is your contestant number 21, El Inunganbi.
Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Pour t'éviter de souffrir, je n'avais qu'à te dire je t'aime. Ça m'a fait mal de te faire mal. Je n'ai jamais autant souffert. Je n'ai jamais autant souffert. Passer le tes balivernes. Et je subis tes balivernes. J'étais prêt à graver ton image à l'encre noire sous mes paupières.
Good afternoon, respected judges and everyone present here. I'm Lasham Inunganbi from Singjamai. I'm 15 years old and currently studying in UNACCO School Standard 9. I love creating art as it helps me express my creativity and I also play the violin. I aim to become a doctor in the future and contribute positively to the society. And this is your contestant number 21. Thank you.
Si je t'aime, est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Je sais pas si je t'aime.
Your contestant number 22, Kumukjam Dipasila.
Je sais pas si je me suis fait mal en m'envolant. Je n'avais pas vu le plafond de verre. Tu me... Si je t'aimais à ta manière. Si je t'aimais à ta manière. J'étais censé t'aimer, mais j'ai vu l'inverse. J'ai cligné tes yeux, tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime.
A very good afternoon to one all present here, respected judges and my lovely audience. My name is Kumukcham Dipasla and I'm 17 years old.
Si je t'aime, est-ce que tu m'aimes? Tu n'étais plus la même. Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas
This
si je
is our last contestant, contestant number 23, Mandi Kangem.
fait mal de te faire mal. Je n'ai jamais autant souffert. Je n'ai jamais souffert. Quand je t'ai mis la bague au doigt, je me suis le bracelet. Pendant ce temps, le temps passe et je subis tes balivernes. Et je subis tes balivernes. Aggraver ton image à l'encre noire sous mes paupières. Afin de te voir, même dans un sommeil éternel. Un sommeil éternel. Même dans un sommeil.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mandy Kangembam, your contestant number 23 from Kakwa. I'm currently reading in standard 11 and I'm turning 17 this year. I love singing and reading novels. And my ambition is to become a psychologist because I'm a person who is deeply concerned about my mental health. Thank you.
Est-ce que je t'aime? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Je sais pas si je t'aime. Je sais pas si.
Yes, this has come to the round off and to the round off, the casual and the introduction round. And coming up we have traditional round, and for this traditional round we will be needing some of your time and patience, as all the contestants will need a little time to change their attire into traditionals. So, and one announcement please. Parents or guardians of contestant number 4, Rani Lakshmi Namram, please, we are asked to come on a backstage. Contestant number
will be announcing the third position winner in here. For the third position winner, Artemisia Thongam of class 4 from Little Flower School. So please give her a big hand. Here on stage we have the consolation prize winner, Maibam Langon of class 4, UNACCO School, Coleman. And the third position, Artemisia Thongam, then from Little Flower School, and the second position goes to Sapam Juris of class 5, KV Lampel. So please come up to the stage. So give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Please give a huge round of applause. And the first position for category 1, that is KH Angamba of Tiny Tot School from class 4. Meanwhile, the story writing competition winners, please get ready. Then next, the second category winners from the consolation prizes. huge round of applause, everyone. Now, for category 2, for the consolation prizes, Samurai Latpam Valencia Sharma of class 8, UNACCO School Kongman. Then Loitongbam Ranapati Devi of class 8, UNACCO School Maitram. Archana Thokchom of class 8, UNACCO School Maitram. These are the winners of consolation prizes. So please come up on the stage. So welcome them with a huge round of applause. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. Kaya winner singi punin tawag po na kubag aho ba mata ni Jerry? Komangira, Valencia. And for third position winner, Tokchom Messi of class 8, Modern Higher Secondary School. I request all the winners who have been announced in here to please get ready in there. Then for the second position, Lausembam Obaid of class 6 from SL Arena Learning. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. And for the first position, for the second category painting competition winner, Lamngan Bangangom of class 7 RM School. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Kubag aho mo kubido na. Okay, winners sing bupong ning tawag piyo. Next, for the third category, for the consolation prizes. Third category, Science of class 11 from KV School. Chaudhry Mayum Valentina Devi, class 9 of Sophia English School. These are the winners of the consolation prizes. So please come up on the stage and welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. These are the winners for the consolation prizes of third category. So please get ready for the story writing competition winners. Now for the third prize. So give a huge round of applause, everyone. For the third prize, third position, Tamna Chabongbam of class 11. Tamna Chabongbam, who have secured the third position of class 11, UNACCO School Kongman. And for the second position, Alva Laishram of class 9, UNACCO School Maitram. And for the first position winner, Nung Maithem Koronganba of class 9, Heritage School. Nomaitem Korongan Bob, class 9, Heritage School. Please come up on the stage, the first position winner. After this, please get ready for the story competition winners. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, ma'am, for doing the honor. Next, we'll be announcing for the winners of the story writing competition. And to do the honor of felicitating all the winners, I would like to call upon the stage Principal of UNACCO School, Chanura, Sir Amarjit. For the first category, winners, I'd like to call upon stage for the story writing competition. Kedui Magrusu of UNACCO School Matram, Class 7. Kaivianuru Falamay of UNACCO School Matram. Ketrimayum Clinton Singh of UNACCO School Kongman, Class 6. These are the winners of the consolation prizes. Please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. The winners, please get ready near the stage. For the first category, for the third position, Kaitelapam Seloy Mangang of UNACCO School Matram, Class 7. Give a huge round of applause. And for the second position, Jessica Lamapopam of Class 7. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. And next, the first position of this Category 1 Story Writing Competition, Iromle Lena Chanung of UNACCO School Matram, Class 6. And next, for the second category, consolation prize winner, Ningomam Priscilla of Kendra Vidyalaya, Class 11. Ngayamring Karye of UNACCO School Matram, Class 11. And Longzam Dolly of UNACCO School Chanura. So please come up on the stage. Give them a huge round of applause, everyone. These are the winners of the consolation prizes. Second category. The winners, if the parents are with them, please come up on the stage. The winners along with the parents, if the parents are there, so please come up on come up on the stage. Now for the second category, story writing competition, the third position goes to Haigruzam Lamyanbi Chanu of Nirmalabas High School. Let's give a huge round of applause, everyone. Winners singi parents kalonya bidaputar badi ko stage takta lengkat pirakpayagan eh. Haigruzam Lamyanbi Chanu, the third position winner from Nirmalabas High School. And the second position goes to Layam Delfayan of UNACCO School Kongman from Class 11. And the first position goes to Anobam Olympia Devi of UNACCO School Kongman, Class 11. So after this, get ready for the written quiz competition winners. Thank you very much, sir. Now, moving on to the winners of the written quiz competition. To be felicitated by Ma'am Helen Choi, Principal, UNACCO School Matron. So I would like to invite Ma'am Helen Choi to be on the stage. The third position goes to Darius Nomaikapam of Class 6, SV Getwell School. Please come up on the stage with a huge round of applause. Darius Nomaikapam. And next, please be ready. Second position goes to Rachid Rayans Yadav of Class 8 of UNACCO School Matron. Rachid Rayans Yadav. Let's give a huge round of applause for Rachid Rayans Yadav. And the first winner goes to Waikom Chingkai Nganba of Class 8, UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause for Chingkai Nganba. And now, moving on to category 2, which is class 9 and 10. Third position goes to Tom Nganba Urembam of UNACCO School Kongman, class 9. And second position is not present at the moment, so I would like to announce the first position. First position goes to Joyce and Rashram of Tiny Thoughts Unique School, class 10. Please come up on the stage. Mayam ke hauba khubang na auditorium asibu nilhallase. And next, moving on to category 3, third position goes to Eric Lei Sangtam of UNACCO School Matron. Please come up on the stage, Eric Lei Sangtam. And next, second position goes to Veron Nongtombam of UNACCO School Kongman, class 7. Please come up on the stage. And last but not the least, the first position goes to Saubam Yaitoy of class 11, UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause for Yaitoy. And thank you very much, ma'am. Moving on to the winners of the Science Innovation Exhibition, which will be felicitated by Sir Surachandra, Principal, UNACCO Residential School, Chanung. So I would like to invite on the stage our Principal, Sir Surachandra, on the stage. So meanwhile, the debate winners, please be ready. Now, the sixth position goes to Manipur Creative School Imphal. The participants are Faris Kolakpam. Please come up on the stage. The model name is From Producer to Entrepreneur. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for Manipur Creative School Imphal. And next, again, in the fifth position, we have Manipur Creative School Imphal again, Fahima Shah. The name of the model is Control Pollution. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause. And the fourth position goes to UNACCO School Chanung. The participants are MC1 Soibam, Asis Moirangtem, Lantoiba Ningtau Kongjam, Purna Chandra Sangbam. The model name is Renewable Energy and Health. Let's give a huge round of applause for UNACCO School Chanung. And next, please be ready, the third winner, which is UNACCO School Matron. The participants winners are Aristotle Kangembam, Nilex Jumnam, Chopper Pukrumbam, Namairak from Arjun Singh, and the model name is Water Cleaning Robot. Please be ready. Now, the third winner of UNACCO School Matron, please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for UNACCO School Matron. The model name is Water Cleaning Robot. And next, we have the second winner, UNACCO School Chanung. And the participants' name are Mainam Edition, Takhel Changbam Panab Sarma, Travis Saugrapam, Mangal Kangembam. And the name of the model is AI Smart City. Now please come up on the stage, UNACCO School Chanung. Let's give a huge round of applause for UNACCO School Chanung. And the first winner of science exhibition goes to UNACCO School Kongman. The participants are Anganba Yendrembam, Adrian Naurem, Rona Longjam, Bonishan Okram. The name of the model is Remotely Operated Vehicle ROV. So please come up on the stage, UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a warm round of applause for UNACCO School Kongman. And next, please get ready, the debate winners. Mahiroi singbu pungning thogot biboy na mayangi mafamdagi ahoba kubang amagamu nijari. And thank you very much, sir. And next, moving on to the winners of the debate competition, which will be felicitated by Sir Katie Park, General Manager of UNACCO School. Sir, please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause. And for this, the consolation prize winners are first, Nilvarni Potsangbam of UNACCO School, Chanura. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for Nilvarni Potsangbam for debate competition. Please come up on the stage. And next, we have Mangal Kangembam of UNACCO School Chanung. And next, we have Tamna Chabungbam of UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause for all these consolation prize winners. And next, the third position goes to Sonan Cecilia Tungshang of UNACCO School Matram. Let's give a huge round of applause. And next we have second position goes to Chanu Lembi Ningthaujam of UNACCO. Please come up on the stage, Chanu Lembi Ningthaujam. And the first winner goes to Debbie Rani Kaitelakpam of UNACCO School Matram. Let's give a huge round of applause for Debbie Rani Kaitelakpam. Marakthana karigumam taraw thokjage Madeleine Eye Care and Madeleine Dental Hospital na event winners achievers khuding magta give voucher amamam hapchari. The first winner will have a gift voucher of 4,000 prize, and the first runners up will receive a gift voucher of 3,000, and the second runners up will get a gift voucher of 2,000. And thank you very much, sir. Ngasi aikoina felicitate taukraba event singi winners khuding makna Madeleine Eye Care and Madeleine Dental Hospital na gift voucher amamam pijari. Gift voucher adudi ahanba winner dana lupa listing mari gi oiba gift voucher ama, aduga second dana lupa listing ahum gi oiba gift voucher ama, aduga third dana lupa listing ani gi oiba gift voucher ama Madeleine Eye Care and Madeleine Dental Hospital na pizari. Mathangda machu thel na EDUCCON gi participants sing da 15
15% discount pizari karigumba machu theldagi pot leibiba matamda 15% discount pizari masi February 2026 ki month Pijar Gadaba 15% discount Ojagani Amukahaning Sing Jage. All EDUCCON participants will receive a 15% discount on purchases made during the month of February 2026. Now, moving on to felicitation ceremony for the competition winners. And for this, winners of the open competition will be felicitated by Sir and Siam Chan Singh, Deputy General Manager, UNACCO School. Sir, please come up on the stage. And for the consolation prize winners, on maximum likes, we have Mandy Kangembam of UNACCO School Kongman. Please come up on the stage. Let's put our hands together for Mandy Kangembam. And next we have Surjamani Sinam of UNACCO Residential School Chanung. Please come up on the stage. Mayam gi ahoba kuba kubiba lepi gano. Mathangda Lesia Wahengbam of UNACCO School Kongman. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for Lesia Wahengbam. Mathangda sport drill competition gi oina third position da Jaina Thau Now Jump of UNACCO School Kongman. Please come up on the stage. Jaina Thau Now Jump of UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause for Jaina Thau Now Jump. And second position goes to MD Abdul Wahid, 6th semester in Fall College. Please come up on the stage. MD Abdul Wahid. Once again, a huge round of applause from everyone. And the first winners of EDUCCON 2026 Sport Drill Competition, Amaraj Assam of Class 11, UNACCO School, Maitram. And next, the winners of Multicultural Group Dance Competition, please be ready. And thank you very much, sir. And now, the winners of the Multicultural Group Dance Competition will be felicitated by MD of UNACCO Group, respected Sir Irabanta Singh. Sir, please come up on the stage. So, we have So from the first category, we have in the third position, Ling Jen and her party of UNACCO School Kongman. Please come up on the stairs. Ling Jen and her party of UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause. And second position goes to Parina and her party of UNACCO School Kongman. Please be ready. And the first position goes to Tom Tin and his party of Heritage Convent. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for the winners. EDUCCON 2026 asibu mapungphan view mayamgi ahoba khubak adu lepigano. Next, the second position goes to Parina and her party. Please come up on the stairs of UNACCO School Kongman. Let's give a huge round of applause for Parina and her party. Mayamgi mamal yam laba khubak adu lots ahoba khubaki makol tanan nilhalasi. Aroy banumit EDUCCON 2026. Ki aroy banumit asida mayamgi ahoba khubak ki makol tanan nilhalasi. Khubak khuba lepi ganu mahiroy singbu pungning thaugat piyo. Ahoba khubaki makolta na khol asibu nilhan biu lepi ganu mayam gi ahoba khubak adu ay khoi na nizari. Now moving on to category 2.
The third position goes to Jing Kai Nganbo and his party of UNACCO School Kongman. Please come up on the stage. Let's give a big round of applause for Jing Kai Nganbo and his party. And next, second position winner, please be ready. Bunny Shah and her party of UNACCO School Maitram. Please be ready. Please come up on the stage, our third position winner, Jing Kai Nganbo and his party, UNACCO School Kongman. Mayam kitang konglay tubiraaga, matang hek kauragpaga kakatpiraknaba ningsingjari, aykhoygi event sing si yamna maram oiraga, mayam na matam kaya laubidana ba ningsingjari aduna mathang manaw nai na kautok charakpa sida matam laubidana adumak pambak thakta stage thakta lengkhat pirak na ba ningsingjari guide teachers sing nasu masi matangdi mateng pangwina basu hanna loruk na sinju langjari ba maikai dagisu ningsingjari mathang da same saduna lebiu Banisha and her party. And next, we have the second position winners, Banisha and a party of UNACCO School Maitram. Let's give a huge round of applause. Kitang konglay tubirak na ba ning singjari Banisha and her party. Guide teachers sing nasu mateng kitang pangbinaban ning singjari. Matangda, the first winner goes to Leishembi Namram and her party of Kajal Sanglan. Let's give a huge round of applause for the first winners. Mathangda category 3 gi results lauthok charak lage. Mathangi sisu same sadun lebinaba ningsingjari. Third position winners the Manika and her party of UNACCO School Maitram same saduna lebinaba ningsingjari. Mathangda Helena and her party, UNACCO School Chanurasu, same saduna lebinaba ningsingjari. And now moving on to the category 3 results. So here presenting to you Leishembi Namram and her party of Kajal Sanglan. Let's give a huge round of applause. And now, moving on to the category 3 results. The third position goes to Maneka and her party of UNACCO School Maitram. Let's give a huge round of applause for the winners. Let's once again give a huge round of applause for our third winners. And next, the second position goes to Telena and a party of UNACCO School, Chanura. Please come up on the stage, Telena and her party of UNACCO School, Chanura. This is the dance competition winners of category 3. Pangthokjariba EDUCCON 2026 asibu mayamna thauna hapiu mayamna support tawbiu mayamgi support tana aikoina masigi chauraba function asi thauram asi sinja langjaba ngamjaribani the first position winners of Farika and her party of St. George High School. Please come up on the stage of Farika and her party. Let's give a huge round of applause. Next, we'll be felicitating Babina groups of companies. So please welcome on stage Babina group of companies. So please welcome on stage Babina group of companies. So please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Babina companies operate a state-of-art diagnostic center and the AOI Cancer Hospital, providing advanced healthcare services in Manipur. After this, we'll be felicitating Island Hospital, Kanchipur. With a huge round of applause, please welcome Island Hospital, Kanchipur. Island Hospital, Kanchipur provides quality healthcare services with modern facilities and compassionate care. So please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, we'll be felicitating Extramarks Technologies Private Limited. Extramarks is a global educational technology company. So please welcome on stage Extramarks Technologies Private Limited. Founded in 2007, providing AI-powered digital learning solution, content and platform for K-12 students, schools and test prepared G and NET. So here we have on stage Extra Marks Technology Private Limited. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After that, we'll be felicitating Medellin Dental Multi-Speciality Dental Hospital and Medellin Eye Care. So please welcome on stage Medellin Dental Multi-Speciality Dental Hospital and Medellin Eye Care. Medellin Dental Multi-Speciality Dental Hospital provides advanced dental care with a focus on patient comfort and expert treatment. Medellin Eye Care offers comprehensive eye care services, combining modern technology with compassionate care for better vision. With a huge round of applause, here we have Medellin Dental Multi-Speciality Dental Hospital and Medellin Eye Care. Next, we'll be felicitating Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Langol. So please welcome on stage Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Langol. Caesar Hospital Research Institute Langol is a leading healthcare center in Manipur, offering advanced medical services and patient-centric care. With modern facilities and expert doctors, it is committed to excellence in treatment, research, and community health. So we have in here Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Langol. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, we'll be felicitating Ken Beggs, one of the sponsors of EDUCCON 2026, Ken Beggs. Please welcome on stage with a huge round of applause, everyone. Ken Bags offers a wide range of stylish, durable and functional bags for everyday use and travel. We focus on quality, craftsmanship, practical design to meet the needs of modern lifestyle. After this, we would like to felicitate Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited. Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited. Please welcome Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited with a huge round of applause. Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited is a leading agricultural company in Manipur, specializing in high-quality food products and sustainable farming solution. After this, we'll be felicitating SS Career Solution. So please welcome on stage SS Career Solution. With a huge round of applause, please welcome SS Career Solution. SS Career Solution provides expert guidance and training to help students and professionals achieve their career goals. After this, we will be felicitating Biophone Coaching Institute. So please welcome on stage Biophone Coaching Institute. Biophone world-class coaching offers expert training for NEET and G, producing numerous toppers over the past few years. Here we have the Biophone honor, Dr. Street, along with his son. So please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Biophone Coaching Institute. After this, we'll be felicitating Mangal Book House. Mangal Book House. So please welcome with a huge round of applause, everyone, Mangal Book House. Mangal Book House is a trusted bookstore offering a wide range of books for students, professionals, and readers of all ages. After this, we'll be felicitating the media partners, MAMI TV. The media partners, MAMI TV. So please welcome on stage, MAMI TV. A digital media platform delivering news, entertainment, and community-focused content. So here we have on stage, MAMI TV. After this, we'd like to felicitate ISCOM Live. So please welcome on stage, ISCOM Live. ISCOM Live, a live news and media channel providing real-time updates, events, and public interest stories. With a huge round of applause, everyone, this is ISCOM Live. Next, we'll be inviting on stage the media partner, Elite TV. So please welcome on stage, Elite TV. Here on stage, Elite TV, a comprehensive media channel delivering reliable news, quality entertainment, and cultural programming with a modern perspective. So here we have on stage Mr. Jit Ningoma. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. And last but not the least, ISTV Network. So please welcome on stage ISTV Network. ISTV Network, a regional television network offering news, current affairs, and informative programming. So everyone, please give a huge round of applause for all our sponsors. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor. With this, we have come to the end of the felicitation. Now, we'll be moving towards the second round, that is a transition round. So I would like to hand over the mic to our co-host, Gauri Halbern.
So once again, welcome everyone on the second round, that is the traditional round of Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026. For the traditional round, the ladies are all geared up with vibrant colors of attire, with pure elegance and confidence. With this, the showtime begins. That was indeed a great performance. Hauzik ngasi pangthokliba Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 ki elimination gi tanja dusu yausilakle. Masigi damak top 10 contestant khanabagi damak jury dagi mark tally result singadu mayam punna ngai hakta ngai minashi. For the top 10 as well as the subtitle winner is right now in my hand. So, ahanba sidi mayam top 10 lau thokringai gi mangoy na ngasi contestant sing stage tapun na lengkhat pirak na ba kausin jage loina na ahanba da mayam da subtitle winner sing hana lau thok jage admadi subtitle winner sing lau thokra batung da top 10 contestants sing amok lautok chage. So let us all once again welcome all the contestants on stage. Okay, so we have 3 subtitles: Miss Personality, Miss Best Ramp Work, and Miss Beautiful Smile. The subtitle of Miss Personality goes to, any guesses? Kitang daloy bumali ko. Contestant sing sige maraktagi Miss Personality subtitle si pangbigada basi kanaman ge. Okay, so ida na yaurum ganit hazay contestant yauriba contestant nga sige Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 ki contestant kuding mag Miss Personality gi subtitle si deserve tawi hay na laujay adubu winner si amakakhan ga dabo oibana. The subtitle Miss Personality goes to contestant number 20 Hentoy. And to do the honor I request Miss Teti Sapam please be on stage. And the subtitle for Best Ram Work goes to... Yes, contestant number 14, Christina. And last but not the least, the subtitle, Miss Beautiful Smile, goes to... Okay, Miss Beautiful Smile, subtitle goes to contestant number 16, Ravina. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tete. So now it's time to announce the top 10 contestants. The first contestant to enter the top 10 is contestant number 3, Lamnganbi Pukrambam. So, the second one to goes into the top 10 is contestant number 5, Punyapati Yumnam. How's it forward? Contestant ani top 10 sigi manungda lemhori basi nipan khakta mangaire nipan subo ahum subo oina changa dauriba contestant asi contestant number 11, Nokita Adhikari. And the next contestant is contestant number 13, Lucy Lisham. And the next one to enter the top 10 is your contestant number 14, Christina Mangang. Okay, so half of the top 10 tara sige manung da half ama hojik lai half ama khak hojik lemhori ba contestant sing asi di karamba contestant sing na top 10 asi changba gami haiba du khangna bagi matam aduni. Next is contestant number 16, Ravina Arambam. Amading asigi top 10 asigi taret subada. Contestant number 20, Henthoi Akham. And the next contestant is contestant number 21, L. Inunganbi. Contestant number 21, L. Inunganbi. Ani khaktang ngai ko top 10 changga daw bagi laiba mafam se. So mapan shubo ina top 10 changga daw riba si contestant number 22, Kumukcham Dipashila. And of course the last contestant to enter the top 10 is contestant number 23, Mandi Kangembam. Congratulations to all the contestants, top 10 pauba. Yaw pirak liba contestants singi mafam the congratulation haiba asi thamjage loina na masigi makha tarakpada ngasi langshil libai kai khumna jariba jury singi laktagi contestant top 10 changbiriba sing question round amakhak sulaizari aduna top 10 contestant sing asi stage adumag laibi horaga contestant sing langshin likhina banoluk chari. So, we will now commence the question round for the Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026. Aduna ngasigi ahanba contestant top 10 ante tawbiriba contestant number 3. Contestant number 3 dagi jury singna wahang hang binaba nolukchari. Check.
Okay, so we start with number 3 or 5? Kamain to sige. Adum sumay na chat sira or mixed or adum chat sira?
Contestant number da chat pa na phagadra. So contestant number gi matungin na.
So ahan baza 3 oidara Gori. Okay. Thank you, Gori. Can we have the third contestant step up? Lamnganbi.
Yes.
Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited, ma'am, and a little bit nervous.
Of course, it's given. But congratulations for Lekhat Piraktra Suyani. Congratulations for making it to top 10.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I'll be asking you a very simple question. Don't think too much. Just say whatever comes to your mind.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. How does social media influence
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯕ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯩ Thank you
so much?
Thank you so much, contestant number 3. Contestant number 5. Contestant number 5.
Hello. Tabra, Taiko.
Yes, sir.
Okay, contestant number 5. First of all, I would like to know how you're feeling.
I'm feeling very proud of myself since I made it to top 5, and I'm really happy.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna ask a very simple question.
Yes, sir.
So you listen carefully. So your question is, why is education important for students?
Would you?
Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Education 하이버세 사트라싱 너희 미암스고 너희기다막다 까리기다막다 important 오이리바노.
Education habisi akoida really important oi. Maramdi education yaudana akoi chakotpa tunggi oina future gi akoina chakotna bahona basunga moi. Auduga education yaudadi thaksi kasi ahanda kaigani. Auduga akoida thaksi kasi hayakpasi akoisu koisu kairakpasi akoisu koisu nungairoi. Sauning phawgani. Auduga mathangi chakotna ba yengna basu akoida yamna maroi. Aduduga mathang chakotrabadi akoi laibada yam nungairoi adi world's gonna world's gonna get destroyed by all our youths, and I feel like that. Auduga education yaudjagadi people will be mad, like in a way. People will be mad in a way, and I think that education is really important to us. It teaches us a lot of things, how to behave with your family, friends, etc. Socialize with people. That's how I feel about education being important to us.
All right, that's brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're looking confident. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very happy and proud as I have been selected in the top 10.
Lovely. So please listen carefully. Aduga, you can choose whichever language that you are comfortable with.
Yes, ma'am.
Aduduna, I would love it if you listen very carefully. Aduga, munna tabiyo munna tada targadi. It will sound difficult, but munna tada targadi, it is a very simple question. So the question for you is, we celebrate festivals like the Sangai Festival, Shiri Festival, Barak Festival, etc. So if you could create a new festival to promote tourism in Manipur, what would it be about? Do you want me to repeat? Manipur da halaura. Akoy Manipur da festivals mayam celebrate tawdra. Sangai Festival lay, Shiri Festival lay, mayam lay ba. So Sangai Shiri nattaba. Atopa festival ama nang na anauba ma celebrate tawba ya taragadi. Karigi matang da nang na celebrate tawninge. Akoy gi Manipur gi tourism se promote tawna ba ay ba. Ba. Okay.
Thank you for the question. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯂꯧ ꯃꯥꯄꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯦꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯎ ꯋꯥ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ deforestation ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯠꯂꯛꯑꯒ oxygen level ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩ global warming ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯅꯕ festival ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ. Thank you.
Sorry, just give me a second. Number 13. Is it Lucy? Ayushi, okay. Oh, that's a very unique name. Ayushi. Okay. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling proud of myself and excited and nervous.
Okay. What is your... This is not the question. This is just a build-up, okay? What's your hobby?
My hobby is dancing and painting.
And painting? Oh wow, that's amazing. What life lesson has your hobbies taught you? Would you like me to repeat the question? Okay. What life lessons has your hobbies taught you?
For dance, it makes my stress vanish and it makes me more confident. And atuga painting gina ko like painting se ye khaba matungda amu khana mangde ba mangde adu aina pamjabadi aina ye amba painting do aina leitrabasu aina karanom chakrabasu ko adum mi miyam marakta agi remembrance onale hawbalo adum bado pame
Nangi aim in life se kari no atuga nangi aim in life se na kogi samasa se sida kari kanani sin.
First of all, good evening. Thank you, sir, for the question. My aim in life is to become a confident and successful person. I get aim in life sina mayam da kana ba pining badi I not only my family tang na tana my akhoi community ke ka mayam ama proud ohin ba pa me. For now, I'm just reading in class 7, so when I know my 10 result, my family will decide. Ako mama hoy ke ka torga decide to zagani adubu mostly I prefer active service. So active service tabu changaga ay akoy gi state Manipur or India or asibu chakot na bataw zagani. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So besides the crown and SAS, what do you hope to win from this experience?
Number 20. Hentoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Top 10 changak pa se nungay bra, haraw bra, bakad bra. Ama kala.
Ama haragadi aidi harauzai because aina hope tawjabado phangbado duna ma'am.
Oh wow. So I have a very simple question for you. Okay. If crowned, okay, nang do winner oire na khala se boka. How would you use this platform, Miss Tin EDUCCON, to use it responsibly? Responsibility ang magaloy na sige platform do nang na winner oy bagi platform do adu kamay na season na gani haipa.
First of all, thank you so much for the question, ma'am.
Welcome.
So, aina crown se lower gadi, aina car gadi, aina responsibility higher gadi, confidence build up tawi, and how to walk in stage confidently and fearless like taba, adumaina presence of mind like ba, kenong komak hangak pada pazana kumba, adugina responsibility like pada confident habisem kanay. The presence of mind like habase kanay aduna aina phangba kana ground se adu myam the experience the way aduna responsibility the adu thing the phangsai ma'am. Thank you so much.
Contestant number 21. How are you feeling right now?
Like everyone else, I feel very proud and happy that I'm in the top 10.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so your question will be, what is the importance of mental health as a student? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Student ama oina, mental health sa kya important oy case.
Thank you for the question, sir. Well, to me, mental health habase yamna maru, especially to the students, because ekoi ayamba na students cases moi se constantly they face pressure kaya do face to na moi na mental health se phazana senaraga kano mental health phazana later they will face many problems, many mental issues. Mental health se kano phatraga di miyoi ba ma not just student. Moise physical health first, mental health patradi, it's like of no use. So a person without mental health will become nothing. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yamna live question ne, so relax and please listen to it carefully. So, what role do you believe? Okay. So, what is the best advice someone has ever given you, and how has it helped you?
First of all, thank you, ma'am. And I would like to say that I give advice akoy mano na pirakpa exam gumba fail oirakpa aduda amuka oina cheshandabida oina mathangda amuka hena phajana hotnaraga oina strength oina pibiba aduduga hanthana yengbidaba aduga amuka hena kanna hotnaningai gi hope pibiba je sigisina aigi punchigi oina zu yam adum engonda advice sumaina oire thank you, ma'am.
Contestant number 23 की friend मैम से कमाई तो उन्हें अच्छा बोले है लज़ीरा माथो लापो खुदेंगे लावे मथंग दे लोइना माथो लापो द लाओ गदा बा okay all right contestant number 23 so how has the journey been?
It's nice, ma'am.
Okay. Very simple question yet again. Do you use the internet?
Yes, ma'am.
Internet ka.
Yes.
Has the internet made us more informed or more confused? Why? I will repeat it again. Has the internet made us more informed or more confused?
Yes, thank you, ma'am, for your question. Aina khanjabadi akhoina internet parakpasida akhoida mioibasida yamna kanabapi like thainagi matamdadi akhoi se pau phongnaba matamda chithi natraga kai haini aiba chedagi oina phaunarami adupu hojikti lapna lainarabasu internet ki khuthangdagi akhoina yauba ngamdaba haibadi akhoina punsida asa tarudaba mafam phawba yauba ngami, and that is why it has made us more informed about what is happening around us. And yes, I think they helped us to keep informed. Yeah, thank you.
So, the question round to the top 10 contestant. Ngasi contestant khudingmak na paukhum sing yam phajana pibikre. So I request all the contestant to please backstage tang haktang potharaga leibinaba amadi hauzik top 10 gi question round asina top 5 changakpagi laibaga select ka dauribani aduna jury sing dagi mark sing result sing ai minabu oina contestant sing backstage tang haktang lengsen minaba noluk chari. Result for the top 5. Howzik aigi khutta leizare. Ngasai top 10 enter tawbikhiba contestant pumnamak stage ta lengkhat biraknaba knowledgery. I request all the top 10 and contestant to please come up on the stage. Okay, top 5 Changakraba contestant Ahanba contestant C contestant number contestant number 23 Mandy Kangembam. And the next contestant is contestant number 20 Henthoi Akham. Amadi ahum shuba top 5 changliba contestant asi contestant number 5 Punyapati Yumnam. Top 4 Mafam Kaliba contestant asi contestant number 22 Kumukcham Deepashila. And the last contestant to enter the top 5 is none other than contestant number 21 L Inungandi. Congratulations to all the top 5 entered candidates. Candidates singna, contestants singna, yamna hawayauna fazaba paukhum kayasu pibikhi. Thagachari contestants sing. Congratulations to all the top 5 entered contestants. So, obviously, there will be winners, first runners-up and second runners-up from these top 5 contestants. Aduna, ngasigi winner, first runner-up, second runners-up ki laibag asi lep nanabagi question round, aruiba question round. Haizage, masigi damak jury singda makhatana sinajari.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the question is, please listen carefully. As a student, what would you say to someone who is misusing social media to hurt others? Let me repeat. As a student, what would you say to someone who is misusing social media to hurt others?
Ma'am,
Manipuri handokpura. Hauze mi ma'am na social media paiba kanda wrongfully used tawnaidana. Cyberbully tawba, bad comments piba, mayam ama misuse tawnaidana. So sumaina tawba mi amada, someone who is misusing social media, siguma mi sida nangna kari wahi haininge heba.
thank you for the question, ma'am. Something that I know me ama social media se wrongfully siznabada haininggadabadi moina keno social media se thajana sizinaragadi yamna afaba pot amaniba adubu moina wrongfully sizinaragadi it can go to many different bad ways. So moina cyberbullying kay kaga taraga tawbado moida keno mingonda di afattaba tare ado moi adumaina tawraga su moi punsida kaisu oiba mga moiba. And so I would like to say to them that to use social media in a good way, and then it can develop very much. They can also develop, and they should also encourage social media to get developed more. So it's of no use to use social media wrongfully. Instead, they should use it in a way that would benefit them. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, contestant number 22.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations on being in one of the top 5.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so your question will be, how do beauty pageants empower women?
Thank you, sir, for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, in my opinion, women empower gives women the strength to make their own decision, and also to help them by stand there by themselves. And also women empower women singsina koina confident or guide or targadi koina society sida confident labor women kaina adum bhajana moibu loina biba oiba targadi koina society sisu better future.
One suffering from the world, what would you remove and why? Let me repeat that for you. If you could remove one suffering from the world, what would you remove and why? Malem sida laiba awaba anaba mayam laitra. Sufferings mayam ama pain mayam ama laiba. So out of those sufferings, nangna world sa tigi remove tawning ama sa karino adu kay daw bigin nang nahusik suffering daw remove tawning ino.
Inequality in caste. Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ay na world jida suffer tawri ba ma'am jida ma lotoning ma higher city hojik Manipur swada tawdroga su thaba lamda caste different oina khaidorak pa auday rights equal phangda bodo suffer tawbodo aina muthatningi kaygino haibada mokoi su akoi gumba angang nina moi they want to make their parents proud they want to make their countries proud, make their people proud. Oduna moi ju chance phangda bodo moi gi caste na maram moiduna mi na maram moiduna moi gi chance phangda bodo adu yam nungaite adu duga moi su haidi school da properly education to be de moi na thi na to be odai di moi upper class ki mi na su moi na su handa na yengda ba odagi di moi na tawning ma phang tawa phangda ba odagi di class da higher su bench da phamanda ba gumba adu gumba do yam nungaite. And moi su yum halaga when their mom asks them how was their day, moisu yam nungai friends singa sumai tawri haining modu haiba phanglaroi karigino haibada moidi class oina differently haidi moidi lower class or banina mina handana yengbiye au duga moidi anamana lonely oiramdoine au duna haidi when they want to go home and tell their mom and dad that their day was good, they will not get the chance to say it. Si haizaningi. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the question.
Hello.
Hello.
So how does it feel to enter top 5?
I feel very happy and very proud of myself to be able to be in the top 5.
Okay, enjoy. So your question will be a bit complicated, but listen carefully, okay? So as a student, what will be your greatest contribution to protecting climate? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satra ama oina ko climate protect tawbada nangi khwaidai chawba thodang se kaino ba?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. So, as a student oina ko, aina society is the climate phanaba haibati abada akoina first of all the koi trees plantation haidi trees mayam kaknarakpa deforestation mayam tawnarakpa sina akoigi global warming lai aduna trees haiba trees planting trees program tawba and cleaning program si mayam se as a student oina tawning.
Hello, contestant number 23.
Hello, ma'am.
Ay, imana busy ako. Khanbra. Aya. Yang phazadra. Meet my friends. So, contestant number 23, congratulations for making it to top 5. Your question is, how can tourism help Manipur's economic development? Shall I repeat? How can tourism help Manipur's economic development?
Thank you, ma'am, for your question.
Welcome.
Ma'am, aikoigi Manipur se yamna diverse oiba state amani. So, sida lairiba like handloom adagi mafam sing se koina mayamda uthokpa amadi mayamda expose tawba sisina aikoigi tourista aikoigi economy se yamna hengarhanba ngamgani, and we can showcase our like inner fee aikoigi maitai haiba singi yamna fajaraba fidget amadi maitai nataba atopa kanglup mayamgi fajaraba fidget sing asi showcase tawba amadi lairiba mafam sing sigi fajaba asi utpana aikoigi economy da yamna thina chawna awonba mapurakani haiba in ahang na khanjai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear beautiful ladies. So, Jose, jury singdagi, winners, singi, mark, result asingay minabo na contestant sing backstage tang haktang leng sin minabo noluk chage, mayam punna, mikup karadang, Jose, result ase, mikup karada dumang mayam da, lautok charagadabani masigidamang mikup karadang mayam punna ngay minashi. So, contestant, backstage tang haktang leng sin.
ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ 23ꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ
How's the kamain taurige mayam? Finally, loidi loisilakadoreko. Like the winners, first runner-up, second runners-up, and the title hold tauriba. Punamaki results so ay kuta laizare. How's the loisilakpay tanjasu yausilaktora bani adubu loisila ehaidana yam nungai taba mikoptina teko yam kwaidagi nungai we excited oiba mayam nangai nari ba mikoptuni. So once again, contestant top 5 changbi kibasingna si staleng khatpirakna ba nolukchari. Ngasigi winner sing mayamda lauthokpagi announce tawba madi crowning session asibu saruk yabina ba ngasigi jury oina lengshin bikiba lengsin bikibi ikai khumna jeribi strela thonawjam danib kangjam ni kilogram stage lengkhat pirakna ba nolukchari loina na Miss Tete Sapamsu stage lengkhat pirakna ba nolukchari Loinana Srimati Khwairakpam Premavati Devi, wife of and Irabanta Singh, CMD UNACCO Group, and also the chairperson, a dedicated employee welfare trust of UNACCO Group. Ikai Khumnejari B, Madam Srimati Khwairakpam Premavati Devi Busu, stage talengkhat pirakna ba nolukna kausinjari. So, the second runners-up of Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 goes to contestant number 21 L Inungan B. So, second runners-up Tarakrabi Inungan Bida crowning asi taubina bagi damag Tete Sapam da Haijari Loinana Ikai Khumnajari B Srimati Khwairakpam Premavati Devi Madam Busu Ngasigi. Second runners-up Tarakhibi da prize amadi voucher sing Khudol Tambina Busu Nolukchari Amadi ngasigi jury member oina lengshin bikiba Nikhil Okram na buke khudol tambina basu nolukchari. Thank you so much. Now, first runners-up. First runner-up asi contestant Marie. Okay, ma'am na asimatang shukutsin na niya ba nolukchari? Inungan bi amutang stage sa kakad perak naman nolukchari. Thank you so much. So, the first runners-up of Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 goes to contestant number 5, Punyapati Yumnam. First runners-up Punyapati Yumnam da crown amadi Shasian Binaba Danube Kangjangbu Nolukchari Loinana Madam Srimati Khwarakpam Premavati Devi Busu Prize amadi voucher kutsinana ba Nolukchari Loinana Nikhil Lokram Busu bouquet kutsinana ba Nolukchari. Thank you so much. Hauzek mayam nang asaidagi khorang nang ngainariba mikobadune. The winner of Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 goes to contestant number 23, Mandy Kangembam. Congratulations. Winner of Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026, crowning amadi Sasyan Binaba, Srela Thonau Zambu Nolukchari. Amadi Madam Srimati Khwarakpam Premavati Devi Busu Nolukchari amadi bouquet kutsinana ba Nikhil Lokram Busu Nolukchari. Congratulations to all the winners. And also a big thanks, a special thanks to the choreographer of this whole Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026, Mr. Leo Leishangtem. A big round of applause for Mr. Leo Leishangtem. Loinana, Mr. Leo Leishangtem says the Lankat Viraknava Nolukchari. Ma'am Srimati Khoirapam Premabati Devina honor Tobina Banolukchari. Thank you so much, everyone. Waiter Singh Amadi, jury member Singh, Madam Punna, photo session Amakaki Tanjasu, Lauzage. So I request Srela, Danube, Teti, Nikhil, and Madam to please come forward on the stage to have a photo session. Loinana, UNACCO Group ki CMD oina Thaupubi Bekai Kumnajari Basar Iraban Tabusu si Salangkat Piraktuna photo session asi saruk yabina banoluna kausinjari. Thank you so much, everyone. Ngasi pangthok liba Miss Teen EDUCCON 2026 mapung fahan biriba lengbirak liba kai khumna jariba madi mahairoi singbu thagachari amadi thauram asigi board of thanks ki damak Madam Thoi Laimada sinajari.
Thank you very much, Gauri. Now, with this, we have come to the end of our EDUCCON 2026. And congratulations to all the winners in here. And not only that, all the participants. Now, to provoke the word of thanks, I would like to invite in here Srimati Geeta Rani, Principal, UNACCO School, Kongman, on the stage.
Wow, what an incredible journey. So now we have come to an end of EDUCCON 2020. So it's my honor to propose a vote of thanks for this amazing gathering, EDUCCON 2026. First and foremost, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our visionary leader, Shri N. Irabanta Singh, whose vision for this event brought EDUCCON 2026 to life. Then, my special thanks to all our guest speakers, our panelists, our hosts, all our wonderful jury members present here. Then, our special thanks to our sponsors, our media partners, all our supporters, because without your support, it would have not been possible to organize the event in this scale and impact. And last but not the least, to all our organizing committee members for your hard work and dedication, which made this program to run smoothly. And above all, to all the participants and all the parents for your enthusiastic participations. So thank you all, and we wish to see you each and everyone to the next EDUCCON. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So with this, we have come to the end of EDUCCON 2026, Education Beyond Boundaries. And we hope that next year we are going to meet with another exciting competition and activities. Thank you very much. So signing off in here, thank you all.